Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp with the reveal of the limited edition Valentine's 2018 card kit. Amazing card kit for all your Valentines and loved themed projects. This is a limited edition, only available while supplies last. I'm going to walk you through the contents starting with this fun Foodie Friends stamp set. Now this stamp set was inspired by Doodlebug's new So Punny collection, which is available in the store. This first shape sprinkle set called Time for Takeout shows you how the imagery in the Foodie Friends stamp set was inspired, the Coke bottles and the pizza. I love the sentiments. I love you to pizzas. You soda make my heart pop. And here's another shape sprinkle set called Breakfast Buddies. Loving the Pop-Tart in the toaster. These are so fun. Speaking of Doodlebug, the kit also contains a package of Doodlebug Loopy Love striped Grosgrain ribbon. Next up are some super fun gold rub-ons. These are by American Crafts. They're called Valentine Mini Marks. Included is a popsicle stick applicator. You rub that on the top and it transfers onto your cards or projects or onto some fun treat bags. The kit also contains 10 American Crafts St. Valentine treat bags. I took one out to show you what they look like. They're really high quality, opaque. They're not see-through, so you could stamp on them, use the rub-ons on them. You could also embellish them with some fun stickers. Included in this kit are these gorgeous crepe paper main squeeze stickers. I don't know if you can see the beautiful gold foil metallic accent there, but the llamas, save the llamas for the mamas, and a unicorn, and look at the cat. Heart-shaped glasses. Forget about it. I love these stickers. They're really fun and happy, and they're very high quality. Next up are some Doodlebug mini love notes. I had to take one of these out of the package to show you it in action. So you get several sheets of these little mini love notes, and you can pop them right out just like that. They pop out, and you can fold these up into the cutest little envelope you ever did see. I adhered this one together. Look at the adorable love note that comes included. I think my daughter's going to steal this and want to use it for her Barbies. Next up is a pack of Pebbles Forever My Always 6x6 paper pack. These are single-sided, and you get lots of Valentine's Day themed patterns. Some reds, some pinks. Here's one that's craft with white hearts. So you get a mixture of colors and patterns. Great for backgrounds on cards. Also included in the kit are these 3x4-inch love note cards. Now these are pre-cut. You get 12 out of Simon Says Stamp 120-pound white cardstock. And so they're perfectly sized to fit in these adorable little mini envelopes. You're going to get an assortment of colors. Some red and pink and cream and white and even some vellum. So they're pre-cut, ready to go to make your sweet little Valentines, whether you want to stamp on them or use stickers or rub-ons. Also included in the kit are these mini window envelopes. These are really unique. You can see through the front. You're also going to get a pink petal invitation envelope. I love how this looks. It's very swanky. There's also some oversized 7x7 white envelopes. In the kit, you're also going to get one Sakura white jelly roll pen. These are fantastic for covering up mistakes on your stamping projects. That's what I use mine for. It's also great for writing on dark solid color cardstock. Next up is a package of 50 metallic red heart brads. I'm going to open this up just to show you how beautiful the red metallic hearts are. Look at that. And there's 50 of these, so you're never going to run out. That is unless you make 51 Valentines, then you would be one short. But chances are you're probably going to have enough of these to last you quite a while. Also included in the kit is this beautiful Heidi Swapp Marquee Love Glitter Tape. Look at this. Very luxurious. And last but certainly not least, 5 sheets of solid cardstock, starting with Simon Says Stamp White, Nina Desert Storm, Cotton Candy, Doll Pink, and lastly, Lipstick Red. I wanted to share with you a couple of projects I created using the kit. I made these cute little Valentines with the Foodie Friends stamp set, and I couldn't resist the adorable llamas from the crepe paper sticker sheet. I also used the Pebbles pattern paper. Want to mention this is a limited edition kit. It's only available while supplies last. If the kit does sell out, many, but not everything, many of the items are available for sale individually. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.